All right, guys, so I am coming to you from my bed. Happy Tuesday. I do not feel well. We had a cold going around the house and it finally got me. But I did find these at the Dollar Tree this weekend and I wanted to show them to you as soon as I could. And they are the pegboards. I have been waiting for these to hit my store. I didn't know whether they were actually going to ever make it, but here they are, and I finally got them, and I got all the pieces that my store had, except for two because I didn't think that I would use them. So I'm going to go ahead and just get started. So they do have the actual pegboard pieces. They're squares, and I believe they're about 9 by 9. I did take one out. It looks like each little square is an inch. There's 8 of them across and then half. So I'm assuming they're 9 by 9. I didn't measure them. I probably should have, but I didn't. So I got 4 of those and they did have them in black and white. So I got 4 of those. Then they had the rectangle pieces, which were, I'm guessing they were like 12 by maybe, or maybe, I don't know, they were just a little bit longer and then it was half of it. So I'm guessing maybe 10 or 11 by like 4.5 or something like that. I didn't get those. And then they also had square pieces that were the rectangle pieces like cut in half. So they were just a little bit longer than this, excuse me. And, but I didn't get them. I may go back and get some. I'm not sure yet, but I didn't think I was going to use them. So I just grabbed 4 of these. And like I said, they had them in black and white. And then the other pieces, like I said, I got everything that my store had and they had just set it out. So I'm assuming this is everything. They have a square shaped pegboard tray. And this is what it looks like. Like I said, they had white, and that's actually the color that's in the little picture there. So that's what it would look like on the pegboard. Then they have a smaller square-shaped pegboard shelf, and it's just, you know, the square. They have rounded edges, and then that's what it looks like in white. And then they have the bigger rectangle-like shaped pegboard shelf. And let me see, it looks like, yeah, it's about the size. Oh, it's a little bit bigger than just one pegboard. So this would have to probably go across like 2 of them or whatever. And then they have the pegboard cup holder. It's a nice, decent size, and that's what it looks like in white and how it looks on the pegboard. And then they had 3 different sizes of the hooks. So these are the longest ones, and you get 6 of them. And then this is like the next size up, and you get 6 of those. Then they have the really small ones, and you get 8 of those. So like I said, I grabbed all the sizes that they had. And this is kind of unfortunate, but you do have to buy like the pieces to attach the pegboard to wherever you're going to put it. And I know this is like a weird angle, but like I said, I'm on my bed and I'm holding my camera, so that's what you get. So this is what the pieces look like, and they come with like adhesive tags, tape, or the mount, like foam mounting tape. I don't think I'm going to use this to mount them. I'm probably going to get some screws that fit in here, and I'm going to use screws because I'm afraid that once you start putting stuff like on the hooks and what have you, it's going to fall. So what you do is this little piece just kind of clicks into this circle right here. I'm not going to do it because I don't know if it's going to stick and I'm not going to be able to get it out. So, but it just goes in there and I'm sure it clicks in there. But I'm going to put screws in here and screw that to wherever I'm going to use it. And I might, and sorry for the noise in the background, it's summer vacation, the kids are home. So I'm probably going to put like a screw here, maybe a screw on the bottom one, maybe on the 2. I don't know. I don't know where I'm going to put them, but I'll probably put some screws on here too, just to secure it, because I don't feel like this is going to be enough. So I don't know. We'll see how I work that out. But yeah, so I got 4 of them. So, check out your Dollar Trees. I think for $1.25, it's not bad. Um, so I got, like I said, I got 4 of them. So, oh, and they have like the little pieces on the side. I don't know if you can, right there, that they slide into each other. So that kind of gives it a little bit more stability when you put them together. So I got 4. If they're 9 by 9, that's 18 by 18. So you'll have a nice little 18 by 18 pegboard if you just buy 4. And of course, you can get as many as you want. That's still going to be better than buying like a pegboard, because pegboard's pretty expensive now. So, even the smaller ones, they're like $9, at least at my stores. The smaller, like, I think they're 3 feet, 3 by, I forgot what size they are. They're like $10. So, I mean, it's still a good deal. And then, all the little accessories and stuff. I don't think that's a bad deal for $1.25. And I haven't checked to see if, like, my regular pegboard stuff fits on here, because I do have a pegboard kit that I bought when I bought my pegboard that I have in my craft room. So I didn't check to see if those fit in there, but they look like they're about the same distance. They're about an inch apart. So I think everything will fit. But stay tuned, because hopefully, depending on how I'm feeling this week, I'm going to get a craft together using these and a couple other Dollar Tree items. And then they also had this. This isn't part of that, but I am planning on using it in, in the same DIY. Maybe. We'll see. So that is it, guys. Be sure to check out your Dollar Tree. See if you have these. It took forever for them to get to my stores. I thought we weren't ever going to get them. So, check them out, and maybe go out to stores a little bit further out from where you're at, because sometimes, not sometimes, all the time, different stores get different stuff. So definitely check out different stores, if you can, travel just a little bit further out. And like I said, stay tuned. Be sure to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you see how I use these. And if you're new, I'm sorry I didn't say this at the beginning. If you're new, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you are returning, I appreciate you. Thank you so much for sticking around with me and my inconsistency. But to me, it's a new year, new me. My birthday is Thursday, so that's when I decided that I was going to start my new year, new me. So praying that all goes well and everything works out. Check me out on Instagram. Check out my other channel. It's a journaling channel if that's something that you're interested in. It is Java, Jesus, and Journaling with Melissa. I will have the link in the description box down below. That is it for today. I hope you guys have an amazing rest of the week. Until next time, be blessed and be the reason someone smiles. Bye, guys.